Yeah, I also, it's like for me very interesting, this journey. Honestly, it's crazy. I'm alone at the train station. Hello, I am really unsure how this works, but I will try. I know it's not the best perspective, but if you can hear me, then it's already good. I'm preparing dinner right now, potatoes and some carrots, like nothing fancy. But yeah, I thought I would just quickly come here. It's like for me very interesting, this journey in life and also filming and stuff. It's like unusual for me, so I normally don't do it, but then I realized, well, I could like just talk while doing something, and like honestly sometimes that's nice because there are so many thoughts always in my head, and yeah, sometimes I don't know where to put them. I also think I maybe should do some introduction video of me, because I think I've never actually talked about some basic things. And yeah, just started talking, but yeah, I don't know when I will film that actually, but if you want something, you can definitely let me know. Oops. That was way too much pepper. Lately, I really like salt, though I know that pepper is way better than salt. Like, for you, it's way better. But well, at least I done something for my health, I guess. Yeah, I also, it's just the start of the new year, and I already realized that I haven't worked out as much in the past few weeks, because I think for me, like, around Christmas time, it's time for relaxation. I mean, I kind of did work out back home, but yeah, just when I arrived back here, I don't have a routine yet. But I think that's okay. Sometimes there's not the time for it, and also, at least if you're walking enough, if you're trying to eat healthy, like sometimes some things are more important and more manageable than others, and yep, and I'm starving now, so maybe I will talk another time. But yeah, at least I guess I tried it now, and hopefully I will integrate it more into my daily life. Like, not hopefully, but if I feel like it, let's say it like that. Because this is basically just sharing my thoughts. And yeah, I think sometimes it's interesting. Oftentimes we'll realize that we're not so different after all, and all of us struggle, and sometimes even with the same problems. So yeah, I'm here to tell you about my problems. No, that's not it, but still, like, I hope I can make you feel a bit better at times, and just let you know that even if you are living an unusual lifestyle or way of life, maybe like not the typical career type thing or anything like that. There's basically nothing like that, especially now. Everything is okay, like all that you're doing, and especially if it's okay for you, because at the end of the day, you're the only person who has to be content and happy with where you are and with what you're doing and how you're living life. And yep, I'm here for that. But now let's start cooking, or putting it into the oven, I guess. honestly, it's crazy. I'm alone at the train station and I'm in a big city and I don't understand how I can be alone. I mean, it's very cold and it's also very late, but I think it's very cold. That's why not that many people are out now. But yeah, it's kind of crazy, but it's also kind of good because at least I don't feel like I feel safe. And I think that's the most important thing if you're walking home by yourself. So take care of yourselves, guys, and I shall see you soon.